everyone, Kenny Brown here in Panama City Beach with MarineMax. I'm here with this beautiful, awesome, just delivered, brand new Grady-White 275 Freedom, one of the most popular boats in Grady-White's line. This particular boat is in the seaport blue color, and as we walk around here back to the transom area, it's equipped with twin Yamaha 204 strokes that push this boat right almost to 50 miles an hour. Come on board, I want to show you a few more other features. Hey Andy, did you bring the cocktails? Hey, does everybody want to go out for a sunset cruise or go to lunch? Look at the back of this boat. Look at all the entertaining that we can have. We can sit in this seat. We can sit in this seat. It's all set up for entertaining back here. And you can see right here, look at this beautiful wet bar, freshwater sink. You have your drawers down here. Put all your utensils. What else you might want to put in there? Let me show you something else. Okay, who's ready to go fishing? Look at all this room back here to go fishing. We got your live well and your fish box right here, all insulated. Now, something I want to point out about the insulated bait well of Grady-White's, they have what they call a full column inlet here that recirculates the water all the way around from the top to the bottom of the bait well. What does that mean? Keeps your live bait alive a lot longer. As we walk up here, I've already pointed out the wet bar here. You can see this nice companion seat here on the port side, big enough to fit 2 people. You have your stereo head unit, Fusion stereo over here. And remember when I had that port lounge retracted out? There's your button to press that right here. You come over here to the starboard side in the captain's chair. Again, very wide. You can fit 2 people in here if you wanted to. Plenty of room for your electronics. You got your Yamaha CL7 display here that monitors both your engines. You also have another stereo mini head unit here if the captain wants to control the stereo. One great thing about the brand new Grady-Whites this year is the digital controls. Look how aerodynamic and small these are. Lots of features. For you people that are used to twin engines, you're always having to control with both throttles. You can press a button and just control both engines with one. That is super nice when you're out there on the water. You can see all your toggle switches are right here at your disposal, your trim tabs, and this boat comes equipped with the new digital helm master. And folks, let me tell you, this is an awesome feature to have on these twin and multiple engine boats. It's got fish point, set point. You're coming into a dock like today where it's blowing 25 knots, you can just take that digital helm master control and just move that boat right over in and out where you like to. I wanted to point out the head to you here as well. Now they call this the Freedom because it's a dual console, allows you to do so many things. Look at this size of this head down in here. And just so you can kind of get a visual, you know, I'm only 5'8", but there's plenty of room in here. Everybody okay out here? Fully functional head that everyone can use. As we walk through the console here, you'll see that you can sit down up in here and you can entertain and relax, and look how much room's left over. Your recessed bow rail. You have your inserts here that have cushions. These also can be taken out. On both starboard and port side, lift up here, you also have compartments here. You can store your fishing rods. And on this side, if you have a really good day of fishing, you can also put some more fish in there or utilize it as a cooler because everything is insulated. Now, one thing that's important to point out about Grady-Whites is all Grady-Whites are self-bailing. What does that mean? That means the deck and all the boxes are self-bailing. In that, say a bilge pump fails, all the water that comes in the boat will drain overboard. And as well, in a dual console, you can also see how You can completely close the windshield off and everything to get out of the elements if it's raining or if it's a cool day. Notice this big hard top, oversized hard top, provides lots of shade, as well as the tri-color red, white, and blue LED lights. You have spreader lights in the back. Folks, I tell you, there is so much on this boat, so much more I'd like to tell you. Big thing is, would love to get you out on one of these boats and get on the water, because until you truly experience the ride, the smooth ride of a Grady-White, the dry ride, the safe ride, that's when you really understand what Grady-White's all about. So again, my name is Kenny Brown here in Panama City Beach and MarineMax. You can reach me directly at 850-596-8108. Be my pleasure to help you. And remember, it's all about making memories on the water.